Hello, fabulous faculty and staff of Arlington Heights. This is Dr. Lockett. Today is Friday, January the 13th, 2022, and these are just a few testing updates because this upcoming Tuesday, January the 17th, confirming at the board, January 17th, we're taking our PM2 math. Now, third, fourth, and fifth grade instructors, this last testing time, we did come across some issues with Take a Test. I've been informed that Take a Test now works. I tried Take a Test today several times and it was not working. So here are some of the things that we can try and do today to make sure that our laptops are up and running and working for Tuesday. First thing, make sure that the laptops are plugged in and are turned on today. Let's do that sometime today before we leave in order for them to receive any updates. If I have to provide any laptops on Tuesday, the laptops that I have are not plugged in, so they're not receiving any updates. So every laptop that you have, please make sure that it's plugged in, that it's turned on, so that way it can actually receive the updates today. When it's time Tuesday for us to try and take a test, when you click on Take a Test, it should come up if it's received all of the updates. The version that we will look for is a version called EdgeWeb. EdgeWeb View version 18.22. If you see that, right underneath the Take a Test screen, once you click on Take a Test, if you see that, then you know that you have the right version. If you don't see that, there is a way that we can automatically push out the updates to our laptops. So you can even try this today with your students, and I'll show you how. If you are looking at your laptop screen, ask your students to go to the search bar, and in the search bar, they would type company, and Company Portal should pop up. When Company Portal pops up, they will click on it and then just wait for that to pop up. And once it pops up, there is, let's see, I'll know it when I see it. Uninstall Web 2, Uninstall Web View 2 Microsoft. They should click on that and it will automatically push through any updates that have not been updated yet. So they can click on install. And now the laptop is being updated. That's something that we can practice, that we can work on today. So while you're with your students, let's say you're working on blended learning, or even if it's the last 30 minutes of the day and you want to make sure that all of your laptops are ready to go for this upcoming Tuesday, then have your students log in and they can go to the search bar, Company Portal, push through that update, and then when they click on Take a Test, it should be there with that particular version that I showed you earlier. If all else fails, then we'll go back to what we did on Tuesday, which is allowing the student to log into the laptop. Once they log into the laptop, then they will wait for Teams to come up because it comes up automatically through Microsoft. Once Teams comes up, then we will exit out of Teams, and then we will go this up arrow. We'll click on the up arrow and we'll go to the Teams icon. I don't have Teams pulled up right now, but we'll go to the Teams icon. I'll just click on the icon as an example. And then right click on it, and then it should be a dismiss. Let me try something else. There should be a quit for the Teams icon once you click on that. And once they do that, then they should be able to log in to the Florida Secure browser. So these are some things that we can do today to make sure that our laptops are ready Once again, make sure that the laptops are actually open. The students should log into the laptops today in order for them to go ahead and start receiving any updates that they need to get. Before you leave today, please make sure that your laptops are plugged in, so that way you can continue to receive updates over the weekend. And we're going to have a great testing day. Feel free to call me. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. And thank you for all that you do.